everyone, welcome to My Clothing Treasure, and this is Jyoti Mishra, and as you can see I am in a very beautiful Georgette Banarasi sari. This is not hand woven, okay? So now that I have clarified that, let's move on to the sari. It's in a very beautiful slate grey and wine combination, okay? It has a bit of purple mix, a very beautiful color. This is the blouse piece, okay? The entire blouse piece has this zari lining all over, and then this is the beautiful pallu, okay? You can see beautiful floral work. Yeah, and the body has these golden zari buttas, very small ones, okay? It's a very beautiful sari. If you have a wedding in your family, or you need a dressy sari for upcoming festivities like Diwali or Dasara, then also you can go for this one. It's a very pretty piece. Yeah, and this is priced at 6,800 rupees. So this is the sari number 2, and as you can see, it is a beautiful peach color, okay? It's a very beautiful peach color. I don't know if you can catch the exact shade or not, because the gold and the peach, they are going very well together. I'll show you a close up, okay? It's a beautiful peach color, and as you can see, it has work all over, full on zari work throughout the body, okay? And this is the pallu, again very nice detailing, and this is the blouse piece in bright red, okay? The border also has a the edging, the selvage is also in red, so it matches very nicely, okay? Yeah, I'll also show you the entire sari. The fabric is Georgette, not hand woven, Georgette Banarasi, okay? And the price is 6,800 rupees. That's the sari. Very nice if you want to go for a dressy one for the wedding season. If you have a wedding in your family, or even if you are a bride, then you can also wear it for one of your occasions that you need to dress up for. Yeah. So coming to the third sari, as you can see, this is a very beautiful deep red, okay? It's not maroon, it's a very deep red. I think the color, I don't know if you are able to get the exact color, because it's looking kind of a bit lighter in the video, but it's actually very deep, okay? A very beautiful deep color. If you are a bride and you don't want to opt for silks, or the Kanjivarams, Banarasi, then you can maybe opt for a lighter version like Georgette, like this one. And this is in a combination of mustard and deep red, so it's perfectly suitable for a bride as well. And this blouse is entirely it's entirely in zari brocade work, so it's beautiful. And you can see the entire sari has the same work, okay? I'll show you. Yeah, this is the sari. I hope you are able to see the color. You can refer to my Facebook or Instagram profile or the website to see the exact color. I'll be posting photographs. It's a beautiful color actually. Yeah, this is also priced at 6,800 rupees, not hand woven, of course, because that would be like, for if you go for a hand woven piece with so much work, it will cost you about 15k. It should cost you minimum 15k, okay? So if you're getting below 15k, something like this, then you have to check. I'll show you. Even see the behind. If you check the behind, you see this cut, thread cuts. That means it is not hand woven. For hand woven, the weaving is seamless, okay? There is no extra threads on the back side of the sari. So I hope you like this one. Let's move on to the next sari. Okay, so coming to the sari number 4, as you can see, I am dressed in a rusty red munga silk, okay? Do check the post, Instagram or Facebook post for the exact color. And this sari has a bit wide border on one side and the regular 4-inch border on one side, and the weavings are done in gold and silver both. You can see this is gold and this is silver, and again if you notice the motifs, it's done in golden, and in between you will see these silver things. It's beautiful. Okay, this saree is perfect for Diwali or Dashera, or even if if you have a small occasion at home when you want to look a bit special but not too much decked up, then this saree you can opt for. This is priced at 6,500 and the fabric is Munga silk. Munga silk is this is a pure Munga silk saree, okay, and the fabric is kind of a cross between crepe and tussar and pure silk. Okay, I don't know the exact components, but it feels like that to my touch. And the fall, you can see it's very beautiful. It's not this bright red that it's looking like, right in the video right now. It's a kind of this rusty red. Okay, and the fall is just amazing, as you can see. And it has a matching blouse piece, just like this piping. You can see there is a piping on the border on both sides, and this has a blouse piece matching the exact color, and this blouse piece also has self weaving done, and this beautiful border. A very nice piece actually. Price is 6,500. Okay, so coming to the sari number 5, this is a very beautiful pink with meenakari work all over the body, as you can see. Okay, that's the exact color. It's a very beautiful, not really baby pink, just a teeny bit brighter than baby pink. And the entire sari has the same floral motifs all over with meenakari work, again not handloom. And this sari is priced at 6,200, and you will see beautiful tassels, and this is the pallu. Okay, I'll show you the entire sari. The entire sari has the same work. A very beautiful piece. For any occasion, it can fit, for Diwali, Dashera, of course, wedding in your family, of course, any special occasion of yours, your birthday, anniversary. And this is the plain blouse piece with this border. But you can always go for a deeper shade of pink, to pair with, or you can go for this mint color blouse or this pink. Mint or pink, it will look very nice. Price is 6,200. Okay, so this is the last one from the lot, and as always my sari collections are incomplete without any yellow in them. So yes, this is a yellow, a very nice yellow, sober yellow with golden work and also the meenakari work that was also in the previous sari. And the entire sari has the same work going on. The fabric is georgette, so the fall is very nice and it's very lightweight, it's not a heavy one. And the blouse is again plain with this border, but I will suggest to go for mint or peach or pink to contrast the yellow, and it will look really amazing. This is one such piece that you can even go out, wear and go out casually. If you dress down a little bit, like I am wearing this big jhumkas, and I've done a bit of makeup, so it's looking very festive, and even I can wear it to a wedding in my family as well. But yes, if you want to look at a bit sober, then of course you can go for a simple look, and you can just wear it for a casual outing. And the price is 6,200, and it is not hand woven. And I think that's it. That's my festival collection, and I will come back with more. I have some more festival collection coming up next week. Till then, bye.